Welcome to the world of Etsy, a global marketplace brimming with creativity and opportunity. What's up, guys? This is Max Wealth with my AI assistant Pixel by my side, welcoming you back to the channel. We are back with the latest money-making secrets. But first, if you are new here, you have come to the right place. Get ready to buckle up your seatbelt because we're about to unlock the next groundbreaking money-making strategy. Imagine turning your passion for crafting, art, or vintage collecting into a thriving business. With Etsy, it's not just a dream, it's a reality for millions around the globe. Hi there! Are you intrigued by the idea of opening your own Etsy shop but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the essentials of starting, optimizing, and monetizing your Etsy shop, making it accessible and straightforward, especially if English isn't your first language. From humble beginnings to a bustling marketplace with over 97.3 million active buyers, Etsy's growth is a testament to the power of community and creativity. And guess what? There's room for you too. Whether you're an artist, a collector, or a crafter, Etsy is a platform where your unique products can find a global audience. But wait, there's more! Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive tip that has skyrocketed my Etsy sales, a secret you won't want to miss. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Not only will you join our creative community, but you'll also get updated with the latest tips and tricks to make your Etsy journey a success. Hey, if this video has been useful to you, please take a moment to share it. I've poured endless hours into bringing these strategies for you. If it takes 15 seconds to click on this and send it to a friend or share it on your socials, it would mean the world to me, and might even mean the world to someone else. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's get started. What makes Etsy stand out in a world full of online marketplaces? It's simple. Etsy isn't just a platform, it's a community. A place where creativity knows no bounds and where unique, handmade, and vintage items find their perfect match. But let's dig a bit deeper, shall we? Imagine a marketplace that spans the globe with over 97.3 million active buyers eager to discover something special. That's Etsy for you. From the United States to the far reaches of the world, Etsy's seller base is as diverse as its product offerings. Unlike other e-commerce platforms focused mainly on mass-produced goods, Etsy's heart beats for the one-of-a-kind. Whether it's handcrafted jewelry, custom artwork, or vintage finds from the 60s, Etsy is the go-to place for items that tell a story. Remember, when you shop on Etsy or decide to open your shop, you're not just making a transaction. You're becoming part of a global community that values creativity, sustainability, and human connection. It's about supporting independent creators and finding joy in items made with love. So if you're passionate about sharing your craft with the world or finding treasures that speak to your soul, Etsy is where you belong. It's not just a marketplace. It's a celebration of individuality and creativity. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we dive into the nuts and bolts of setting up your Etsy shop and turning your passion into a thriving business. Let's make your dream a reality. Let's walk through setting up your Etsy shop step by step. It's easier than you might think, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, head over to Etsy.com and find the Sell on Etsy section. Click on Open Your Etsy Shop and let's get started. You'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Simple, right? Now let's talk shop preferences. Choose the language to sell in, select your shop country, and set the currency you'll be dealing with. This helps Etsy customize your shop experience. Choosing a shop name is exciting. It should reflect your brand and what you sell. Be creative but clear. If your first choice is taken, Etsy will suggest available variations. Remember, your shop name can be the first impression customers have, so make it memorable. Next up, listing your products. Quality photos are key. They don't just show your item, they sell it. Use natural light, multiple angles, and clear backgrounds to make your items shine. And for your descriptions, use simple, clear language that includes keywords your buyers might search for. This is SEO, or search engine optimization, making your products easier to find. Need some inspiration? Take a look at these successful Etsy shops. Notice how their shop names, photos, and descriptions tell a story and attract customers. Yours can do the same. With your shop set up, you're on your way to joining the ranks of successful Etsy sellers. Remember, every big journey begins with simple steps, and you've just taken yours. Unlock your full earning potential with our free app. It's your roadmap to wealth, filled with exclusive tips and complete step-by-step master guides to get you earning online. Download now, Android and iOS, links in the description. Up next, we'll dive into optimizing your product listings to stand out in Etsy's bustling marketplace. Stay tuned. As we dive into making your Etsy product listings pop and lock in those sales, let's talk about the secret sauce to success: SEO, or search engine optimization, keyword research, and the visual appeal of your listings. Here's how to craft listings that not only capture the eye, but also the algorithms that drive Etsy's search engine. SEO and keyword research, the backbone of discoverability. Firstly, SEO on Etsy revolves around understanding what potential buyers are searching for and integrating those search terms into your listings. Start by using Etsy's search bar to explore keywords. When you type in your product category, Etsy suggests a list of related search terms. These are gold mines for understanding what shoppers are looking for. Tools like eRank and Google Keyword Planner can also offer insights into relevant keywords with a good balance of search volume and competition. Incorporate these keywords thoughtfully into your product titles, descriptions, and tags. The trick is to make them natural. For instance, if you're selling handmade candles, titles like hand-poured lavender-scented candle, soy wax, hit the sweet spot between descriptive and keyword-rich. Visual search optimization. A picture speaks 1,000 words. In 2024, visual search is gaining momentum. Etsy's algorithm is increasingly leaning on image recognition technology to match user queries with visually similar products. This means your product photos not only have to be high quality, but also representative of the search terms you're targeting. Ensure your first image is the most compelling, as this is what your potential buyers see first. Remember, 90% of Etsy shoppers consider picture quality crucial in their purchasing decisions. Utilizing tags and attributes wisely. Etsy allows up to 13 tags per listing, and using them all can significantly increase your visibility. Opt for long-tail keywords that describe your item in detail. For example, vintage blue ceramic vase is more descriptive and useful than individual tags like vintage, blue, and ceramic. Avoid redundancy across tags and categories, and remember, Etsy translates tags for you, so focus on terms that best describe your item. If you enjoyed this video, then you won't want to miss any of our upcoming content. Smash that subscribe button and join our community of forward thinkers. Together, we're on a quest to discover the internet's wealth. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. Competitive shipping and listing renewal. Competitive shipping costs, including strategies like offering free shipping, can enhance your listing's appeal and search ranking on Etsy. Periodically renewing your listings can also give them a temporary boost, especially during high traffic periods. Crafting an Etsy listing that sells is about blending the art of keyword optimization with the science of visual appeal. Regularly revisit your strategy, stay adaptable, and keep an eye on the latest trends and tools to ensure your Etsy shop stands out in a sea of creativity. Remember, the goal is to connect your unique products with those searching for exactly what you offer, turning browsers into buyers and clicks into customers. By integrating these strategies into your product listings, you're setting up your Etsy shop for greater visibility and success. Keep experimenting and refining your approach based on what works best for your unique offerings and audience. Now that your Etsy shop is up and running, it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Well, maybe not literally, but let's talk about getting your shop noticed. Marketing might seem daunting, but I promise, it's as easy as pie with the right strategies. Let's dive in. First stop, social media. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook are your best friends. Why? Because visuals are key, and these platforms are where your potential customers hang out. Share beautiful photos of your products, engage with your followers, and use hashtags related to your niche. It's all about building a community that loves what you do. Next up, Etsy Ads. This powerful tool puts your products in front of buyers who are searching for items like yours. Start with a small budget and experiment with different keywords to see what works best. Remember, the goal is to make your items shine in Etsy's vast marketplace. Engaging with the Etsy community can also boost your shop's visibility. Join forums and teams where you can share tips, ask questions, and connect with fellow sellers. It's a great way to learn and grow together. Don't forget about external marketing strategies. If you have a blog or a website, link it to your Etsy shop. Email marketing, send out newsletters showcasing your latest creations or offering special discounts to your subscribers. It's about creating multiple touch points to reach your audience. Feeling ready to take your Etsy shop to new heights? Remember, consistent effort and creativity are key to marketing success. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button below. It helps more amazing creators like you find this video. Stay tuned for more tips on how to make your Etsy shop thrive. Next, we'll explore managing your Etsy business to ensure happy customers and smooth operations. Let's keep this journey going. With your Etsy shop bustling with beautiful products, it's time to get down to business, literally. Managing your Etsy business efficiently can transform your passion into a sustainable venture. Let's talk about the pillars of business management: customer service, order fulfillment, and financial health. First, customer service, the secret ingredient to a thriving shop. Happy customers respond promptly and warmly to queries and feedback. Personal touches, like thank you notes with orders, can turn a one-time buyer into a loyal fan. Remember, positive reviews are gold. They build trust with future customers. Next, let's tackle order fulfillment. Streamlining this process is key. Organize your workspace and keep your inventory up to date to avoid delays. Use Etsy's shipping labels for convenience and to track orders easily. And always be clear with your customers about shipping times. Honesty is your best policy. Now, on to managing finances. Keeping a tight ship financially means understanding your costs, pricing your products correctly, and tracking your earnings. Tools like QuickBooks or Etsy's own finance tools can help you keep an eye on your business health. And don't forget about setting aside money for taxes. It's important. Running an Etsy shop is about more than just creating. It's about managing a business that values its customers and operates smoothly behind the scenes. Embrace these aspects, and you'll set yourself up for success. Enjoying the insights? Help us empower more people like you by hitting that like button. It's a simple click for you, but a giant leap for our community. Your support helps us reach and inspire more aspiring digital earners worldwide. Next, we'll explore how to expand your reach beyond Etsy and into the wider world of e-commerce. Stay with us. Growing your Etsy shop doesn't end on Etsy's platform. There's a whole world out there ripe for the taking. Let's explore how you can extend your brand's reach beyond Etsy and make your mark. First up, social media isn't just for sharing. It's a potent tool for branding. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for visually showcasing your products, engaging directly with your fans, and even driving traffic to your shop. Use them to tell your brand story, share behind-the-scenes content, and announce new product drops. Creating a standalone website is your next big move. It gives you control over your brand's narrative and customer experience. Plus, it opens up avenues for SEO, allowing customers to find you through Google searches. Tools like Shopify or WooCommerce make it easy to set up an e-commerce site that complements your Etsy shop. Don't overlook the power of other marketplaces. Amazon Handmade, eBay, and Not on the High Street are just a few platforms where you can diversify your presence. Each has its unique audience, increasing your chances of discovery and sales. Take inspiration from sellers like Studio Snowpup and Mighty Vintage. They started with unique handcrafted items on Etsy and grew to collaborate with artisans and appear in museum shops and boutiques around the world. Their journey from Etsy shops to global brands exemplifies the power of expansion. Remember, your Etsy shop is just the beginning. By leveraging social media, building your website, and exploring other marketplaces, you can take your brand from a home-based business to a worldwide phenomenon. It's about creating multiple touch points for your customers and continuously finding new ways to grow. If you're ready to take your Etsy shop to new heights, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with fellow creatives. Every step you take beyond Etsy is a step towards turning your passion into a global brand. Up next, we'll wrap up with key takeaways and that exclusive tip I promised. Your journey to Etsy success is just beginning, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. As we approach the end of our journey today, let's share some wisdom that could pave your way to Etsy success. It's not just about what to do, but also what to avoid. Success on Etsy doesn't come overnight, but with persistence, creativity, and a bit of strategy, it's within reach. First off, quality over quantity. Focus on crafting high-quality, unique items that stand out. Remember, your passion translates into your products, making them irresistible to buyers. Engage, engage, engage. Build a community around your brand on social media and within Etsy itself. Connect with your customers, share your story, and listen to their feedback. This two-way communication fosters loyalty and can turn customers into brand ambassadors. Now for some pitfalls to avoid. First, spreading yourself too thin. Trying to manage too many product lines or neglecting your shop's focus can dilute your brand. Stay true to your niche and master it. Underestimating the power of photography is another mistake. Your product photos are your storefront. Invest time in learning basic photography skills or consider hiring a professional. Bright, clear images make your items pop and attract buyers. Lastly, ignoring the business side of things. Yes, creativity is key, but so is understanding the basics of business management, pricing your items correctly, and keeping an eye on finances. Tools and resources are available to help, so don't shy away from using them. Embrace these tips and steer clear of the pitfalls, and you're setting yourself up for a thriving Etsy shop. Remember, every successful seller started where you are now. It's your journey, your passion, and with a bit of hard work, the sky's the limit. And there we have it, friends. A journey through the heart of Etsy, from setting up your shop to expanding its reach beyond. We've covered a lot today, from crafting standout listings to mastering the art of marketing and beyond. Remember, every successful Etsy shop starts with a dream and a passion for creation. Your journey is unique, and with persistence, creativity, and a bit of strategy, success is within reach. And now, for that exclusive tip I promised you earlier. Ready? Here it is. Customer experience is everything. Go above and beyond in personalizing your customer's journey, from personalized notes to exceptional after-sales service. It's the unexpected touches that turn a buyer into a lifelong fan. Got questions or need clarification? Your curiosity drives our mission. Leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll help steer you towards success. Let's tackle these challenges together and unlock new levels of online earnings. If you found value in our journey today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more insightful content designed to take your Etsy shop to the next level. And for those ready to dive deeper, we've got something special for you. Our free app, packed with over 60 master guides, including a complete blueprint for Etsy success. From optimizing listings to navigating the complexities of online marketing, it's all there. Download it now through the link in our description and start your journey to becoming an Etsy superstar. Your dream shop is waiting to happen. Let's make it a reality together. I hope that this information has helped you in some way. Remember, to take action, that is what will bring you closer to financial independence. It took hours of hard work to bring this content to you for free. If it takes 5 seconds to hit the like button or share it with a friend, it would absolutely mean the world to me and Pixel, and might even mean the world to someone else. And don't forget to watch the rest of the videos on our channel to find the online money-making method that works best for you. Take care, friends. Until next time, we are out. Peace.